Blaze is my favorite video game character that is attached. Blaze Fever. Oh.
You can't escape me.
They oppose it. Mission accomplished. Three, two, one, go! Maria! I think that's what they're trying to say. Whoa! Passing through. Only 2 enemies? That was easy. Blaze Fever. Three, two, one, go! Whoa! I could have died. Whoa! Mission accomplished. Time for the boss level. Uh-oh, not the snake. Asshole. Come here, weakling. Oh shit, no! 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 Whoa! You're lost, asshole. Oh shit. Hey, don't you dare go back. This is just a... Oh no, you didn't. Oh, supportive character Cream and her KO Chow. I think that's how people pronounce the Chow, KO or something. I lost the ring. No! No, at least it was only one ring. Run. You missed. Oh yeah. Oh no. Oh no. Still my rings are gone. It was a good idea to make rings. Oh, come on. How could I miss that? Maybe I didn't jump. Oi, oi. Oh, I swear, if I see... Yeah. Yes, almost there. I mean, that's it. Uh-oh. Run. Run. Oh, come on. I need 2 rings. I can survive this. More like you get ready to be screwed. Oh, come on. I was so close. You rat. Not again. Run. Well, at least I have 1 ring left before I die. I can beat this egghead. Whoa! That girl got some moves. Yes! 6 emeralds retrieved. You got some style. I'm glad Sonic characters created. Sega created Blaze. Well, Blaze is awesome.
Never get on my bad side.
Never get on your bad side, okay? Oh, great. Here's Amy. Oh, Amy's here again. Don't tell me you want to fight with her. You have already collected 6 of the gems. Yes, I only need to recover 1 more. Everything should be fine, I hope. Hi again. It's nice to see you. Her name is Amy, right? Hey, Sonic is trying to find you too. Did you see him? Yes, we found him, but we got 6 of the soul emeralds without him. I don't need his help. You should learn to able to ask for help. If you have trouble, just ask Sonic for help. He should be able to help you in a flash. Wow, no problem. I can take care of this myself. Boy, you're stubborn. You can rely on your friends, you know. Friends? Sometimes you can't do things alone. And when you can't, it's still better with friends. Dang it, I can't read fast. Get it? Got it. Blaze, I agree. Blaze is my friend and Amy's my friend. A friend of a friend is a friend. What the? So Sonic and Amy are also Blaze's friends. That can't be true. But it doesn't feel wrong. Alright then. So now you can't have to change yourself. I don't have to force myself. There you are. Now I got you. It's Knuckles. Hey, you Catwoman. It's payback time. What did you do to him? Well, it wasn't really a big deal, but basically Knuckles got the wrong idea. That's pretty triple of Knuckles. Okay, I'll take care of this. You two can go. Aren't you in a hurry? Blaze, let's go. Please hold on tight to me. Are you gonna fly again? Wait a sec. I'm kind of scared of heights. Wow, it makes sense. Most cats are scared of heights. I don't know how to say that well. Hey, dimwit, wait a minute. This has nothing to do with you, Amy. My business is with that Catwoman. Look, that's why I called you a wait. Why I call you over? Listen to me. Hey, come back here. That's no fair. Flying away. We'll be safe up here. Don't take this the wrong way, Blaze. Knuckles is actually a nice guy. Thank you. Huh? You don't need to thank me. We're friends, aren't we? So now let's go find the last one. I never had such a feeling before. And they're not so bad. Oh, hell no! Don't belong? Are you serious?
You can't escape me.
Zero gravity in the zone. Ding dong, you gotta. Oh no, not again. hell? Stop. Getting edgy. Acorn. Oh. I'm gonna die. Oh. Ooh. Hey, that's gonna be. What's with this place and zero gravity? I have to be careful sometimes here. Yep. This is crazily absurd. This is madness, impressive madness. Be careful with that laser. This is crazily awesome. Oh yeah. That's why you never touch the laser. Oh man, I hate the map. Spoiler alert, the boss you fight in this level is Sonic. You have to press either A and B fast. Oh, come on. The controllers are hard to control well. Ooh, the Sonic and Blaze thing was hard. I'm being honest, guys. It was hard. Don't die, don't die. Yes, magnetism. I luckily survived that. What's with people and zero gravity in this game? Oh, come on. This is nuts. Insanely nuts. This can be worse than Sonic Adventure 2. I have to use zero gravity for crying out loud. Zero gravity too. What are the games that have zero gravity? Oh yeah, Sonic Adventure. Sonic Adventure 2. That's all I know. No! That is slow. Zero gravity, bruh. Damn it, I wanna play Sonic Heroes.
You can't escape me.
Don't tell me I'm in that. Why did they? Oh hell no! Save. Oh no, you didn't. Run! I could have almost died right there, right about now. Hell, stop.
You can't escape me.
If I die the last time, I'm done for this video. I'm not gonna show you that Blaze versus. I'm not showing you that Blaze versus Sonic thing. You watch it online. That thing hurt my fingers while I was trying to hit Blaze. Oh damn it! Damn it! I like how they designed Blaze. Back to back Blaze version. Oh, I love this one. Get edgy. Oh. What you need? Blaze version. Metal scratching. Metal scratching. Oh, this is my favorite. Back to back, 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 back to back. The secret. I wanna put. Oh. Woo. One up. I don't like that theme. What you need is PSG. How's that? This one is my favorite. Blaze appears. Pick the Eggman. Bang, bang, bang. I love this one that sings.
Take my way. You know you take my way. You know you take my way. Sonic Rush. Please select a character. Sonic the Hedgehog. Blaze the Cat. Here we go. Yes! Should we try this again? Is that it? Yes! Yeah! All right! Cool! Okay!
Don't you blame me for this. This is the sound test and you're listening to everything. Don't you dare and blame me.
Ow!
Sonic 11?
Let's do it! It's time! How's
Tell me what's that Tails voice.
How's that? Never get on my bad side. My enemies always fall before me.
I never even heard you say that.
Yeah! Okay! Huh!
It's at 100 and something.
Huh! You can't escape me!
That's
All
one
right,
You Can't Escape
Sonic's
Me is
here.
my favorite.
Yes! Huh? Do your best, Sonic! Welcome back, Sonic! Bye, Sonic! Go get him, Sonic! Nice, Sonic! No! Sonic!
That's... You always end with Sonic for crying out loud. She's low.
No! Sonic! You're almost there! All right, Sonic! Yes, you did! Hi, please! Yes! Huh? Don't be long! Nice to see you again, Blaze. Drop by soon, Blaze. Do your best, Blaze. That's it.
Whoever named Blaze was a clever person because Blaze has firepower.
That's it. Oh, just a little more. You did it. You did great, Blaze.
Who the hell created Audience?
You'll regret this.
That laugh is kind of hilarious.
Ow! You! Take this! Get ready to be schooled.
Get ready to be schooled. Oh, brother, that one is so old. Time limit is difficulty easily.
Please select a character. Blaze the Cat.
Wow, now that's impressive. Level 7 boss. Let me guess, Sonic. Called it! Even though I didn't came here yet. Hey, don't you dare. Before I play properly. Oh, come on. It's because I'm trying again. I didn't know that even though I didn't finish time, I didn't finish doing that. Let's end this. You stupid rodent. Hey, I'm not losing to a blue hedgehog. This is my favorite boss level. Mad too much? Run. Hey! Run. Dag nabbit. Let's end this and kill the rest. Too late. Why is the spin dash better than... Oh! Wait, is Eggman watching this? You sick man. Oh, I'm out of room. Oh, I don't know. What's that? Is that how hard it's gonna be in Sonic? I mustn't give up. Do your best, Blaze. Thanks for those encouraging words, Queen. Oh, I hope my Queen is being sarcastic. I thought... Eesh. How could a spin dash could be better than... Watch out! Oh!